Understanding the phrase, to go berserk, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, to go berserk. This phrase is not only colorful but also packed with history and emotion. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage, to help you sound like a native speaker. To go berserk has a rich history. It originates from the Old Norse word, berserker, which referred to a fierce warrior who fought with intense rage and without armor. These warriors were believed to transform into a wild, uncontrollable state, almost like a battle frenzy. Understanding this background gives us a clear picture of the phrase's intensity and implications. In modern English, when someone goes berserk, it means they become very angry and lose control. It's often used to describe an extreme emotional reaction, where a person might act out aggressively or erratically. This phrase vividly captures the essence of losing one's temper to an extraordinary degree. Let's look at some examples. 1. When she saw the mess, she went berserk. 2. He went berserk after hearing the news about his demotion. 3. The crowd went berserk when their favorite team won the championship. These sentences showcase how the phrase can be used in various contexts to describe intense reactions. While to go berserk is a descriptive and evocative phrase, it's important to use it appropriately. Given its connotations of extreme anger and potential violence, it's best used in informal settings or for dramatic effect. Be mindful of the cultural and emotional context when using this phrase. So, there you have it. Now you understand what it means, to go berserk, and how to use it in conversation. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the history and emotion behind them. Happy learning, and I hope this video has been enlightening.